Okay, we got our dog head done, and we got where the mouth will open and close good. We have raising, the ears will raise. So when you, this is just my pattern for my ear. So when we stick the ear on, once we get the ear on, see, our ears will move up and down when we need them to. So we have our mechanism we have here with some line, same on the other side. And this just keeps it on the outside, so when we pull our handle down, and we have two springs connected to the top of the head in here, so we can get that effect. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.